Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Today we're going to be doing a crispy cornmeal fried bluegill in our Carolina Cooker deep skillet over our 2-burner outdoor stove. We'll put the egg in the bowl first, whip that up. Okay, once I got the egg nice and mixed in, go in with our cup of milk, get that mixed together. Now I've got a Ziploc bag for all of our dry ingredients. So the first thing going in will be our cornmeal and our all-purpose flour. Crushed corn flakes, add a little extra crisp to the bluegill. And then the last thing will be our Carolina Cooker seafood seasoning. Close the lid on that, get that nice and shipped together, get everything combined, ready to crisp up our bluegill. I'm gonna work one at a time on these, dip them in our wet, and then straight out of our milk and egg wash into the bag, that shook up, and then straight into our oil. Okay, so about 6 minutes in, we're gonna pull our first batch of these bluegill. Nice, crispy, golden brown, that's what we're after. Good, pull that out onto a paper towel. Some whole fried bluegill, fried hard in our Carolina Cooker deep skillet. We're gonna serve this alongside with some cocktail sauce. Have ourselves a fine meal. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker, and let us help you navigate all the seasons, both in the kitchen and in the field.